Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro show. Hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas. Before we start, I just want to wish you all a happy new year. Thanks to all of you for being with us this year, and I hope that 2024 we can share many more laughs. Well, now to start our final show of 2023, we have a classic, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Good.
I hate you.
Oh my God.
My God.
Bye, baby.
This one before?
No.
Oh, what is that?
There was chicken up there when they.
I get why so many people love the air horn pranks. As always, if you want to get an air horn like those, we are going to leave an Amazon link to them in the description down below. Well guys, now for our next segment, we have a versus. The husbands versus wives scares. Let's check them out.
The Packers won.
Stop it!
Probably don't like that.
Don't.
I am not scared at all.
Hey. Boo. What?
Joe.
Jesus.
Ah!
Get out!
love you.
Bad.
Crazy.
Let's go there.
Fan jag du nu?
Oh my God, Donna!
Did you know?
Wait! Boom!
Gosh, oh my god. Josh, oh my god.
Hey!
Into what?
Balls, mother.
The wives won this one for sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, before we go to our last segment, I just want to say thanks again for all your support we've had from you this year, and we want to wish you again a wonderful 2024. Now for the final segment of the year, we have the family scares. Let's check them out.
Cubs are going to the World Series!
Mom!
Because I'm okay. Second,
Don't take.
Man, coming through!
What are you doing?
I'm watching the Duke game!
What are you watching?
Duke, Kentucky! Something. The steak! The steak's back! The steak!
What are you doing?
I just. Ah! Come on! Come on!
Hey!
Come on, let's get him sniff.
Yeah.
Hey, babe. I like it.
What's wrong with you, man? You
Oh!
Yummy!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Ah!
I feel like something's gonna happen. Like a joke in the mouth.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, then please leave a like, as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description down below. See you soon.